Ali was a kind and loving child. He had a gentle heart, especially for animals. Birds trusted him. Rabbits hopped near him without fear, and squirrels often sat beside him as if they knew he would never harm them. Ali believed animals were a gift to Earth, and he dreamed of protecting them. Ali wanted to draw animal posters, to tell people how important it was to save animals and protect nature. In his mind, he could clearly see colorful birds, graceful deer, playful squirrels, and soft little rabbits. But there was one problem. Whenever Ali picked up a pencil or brush, his hands began to tremble. Fear filled his heart, and the lines on the paper shook. He would stop, close his eyes, and put the pencil down. There was a reason for this fear. When Ali was very small, he once drew some simple lines on paper. He was proud of them, and excitedly showed them to his elder siblings' friends. They were children, too. They didn't understand how powerful words could be. They laughed. They mocked his drawing. That laughter stayed in Ali's heart. From that day on, Ali believed one thing: I can't draw. Years passed, but the fear remained. One evening, Ali's parents noticed him sitting quietly under a tree, feeding birds and looking at a blank sketchbook. His mother sat beside him and gently asked, "Why don't you draw any more, Ali? You love animals so much." With trembling lips, Ali told them everything: the laughter, the mocking, and how it made him believe he was not good enough. His mother held his hands and said softly, "Ali, those were just children who didn't understand. Your kindness and love are your strength." His father smiled and said, "Great artists are not born fearless. They are born brave, brave enough to try again." From that day, Ali's parents supported him every single day. They never criticized his drawings. They praised his effort, not perfection. Slowly, Ali's hands began to steady. He started drawing small animals, one bird, one rabbit, one deer at a time. Then came the day when Ali created a beautiful poster with animals and a message: "Save animals, save Earth." When people saw his work, they were moved. His message spread, his fear faded. Ali finally understood something important. One moment of laughter cannot decide a lifetime of dreams. With his parents' love and belief, Ali didn't just learn to draw again, he learned to believe in himself.